Your car does 0 to 60 inches about 7 seconds. These RC cars do it in under 3, and some of them hit speeds your actual car can never reach. Today I'm showing you the fastest remote control cars on the planet, and the numbers are going to make you feel bad about your vehicle. Let's start with the one that made the whole world stop. The Traxxas X01 is a 1/7 scale RC supercar that does 0 to 60 inches 2.3 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour in 4.92 seconds. That is faster than a Lamborghini Huracan. Out of the box, no modifications, no tuning, just battery in, controller ready, and it absolutely launches. It runs on a big block 6S brushless motor, the largest ever put in a production RC car, and it weighs just 8.6 pounds. The aerodynamic body, front splitters, and rear wing are all functional real downforce at real speed. Traxxas stability management keeps it from spinning out at triple digits. If you want the closest thing to owning a real hypercar without the $300,000 price tag, this is it. At around $900, it is the most impressive piece of RC engineering money can buy. And then there's this. The ARRMA Limitless 120 is officially the fastest production, ready-to-run RC car on the planet. It does 120 miles per hour on pavement with no modifications to the motor or electronics. Out of the box, it already brakes 70 miles per hour. Swap in the included high-speed pinion gear and it crosses 100. Add the aero trim package and the center spool and it hits 120 plus and just keeps pulling. It runs on 6S or 8S LiPo power, has a 3mm anodized aluminum chassis reinforced for the stress of triple-digit speed, and EXB differentials with all-metal gearbox internals. This is not a toy. This is a speed machine that makes physics feel personal. One of the most frightening and magnificent things I have ever seen move. Now let's talk about the one that does something the others can't. It goes fast everywhere, not just flat pavement. The ARRMA Typhon 6S BLX is a 1/8 scale brushless speed buggy with a Spectrum Firma 150A Smart ESC and 2050 kV brushless motor capable of over 70 miles per hour on the right setup. But unlike the pure speed machines, the Typhon handles off-road too. Adjustable oil-filled shocks, anodized aluminum chassis, composite braces, all-metal drivetrain. It bashes as hard as it races. Whether you're launching it off a ramp, flat out on a parking lot, or hammering through rough terrain, the Typhon keeps up. This is the one you buy when you want fast and you want to survive the inevitable crashes that come with going that fast. Here's one that surprises people. The FS Racing ATOM 6S is a 1/8 scale desert buggy that hits 100 km per hour on 6S LiPo power. That is 62 miles per hour faster than almost every car on a residential street. And it's built for open terrain, long travel suspension, waterproof electronics, proper hobby-grade construction. What makes it different from the big brands is the price significantly less than Traxxas or ARRMA, while still delivering triple-digit kilometers per hour in a robust platform. If you want genuine 100 kilometers per hour speed without the premium brand markup, the ATOM 6S delivers that in a package built to survive serious use. Not everyone wants to spend $500 to go fast. The WL Toys 124007 is a 1/12 scale brushless RC truck that hits 75 km per hour, and it costs a fraction of what the premium cars run. 2,845 brushless motor, 4WD, metal chassis, independent suspension with oil-filled shocks, 2.4 GHz control up to 100 meters. It handles beach, snow, grass, mountain roads, and gravel without breaking a sweat. The phone holder bracket on the controller lets you mount your phone for a first-person view of every run. This is the entry point to serious RC speed, and at this price, it is genuinely hard to believe what it does. If you're new to fast RC cars, start here. You won't be disappointed. This one comes with a personality. The UDIRK 1610S is a shark-bodied monster truck with a 4,700 kV brushless motor that hits 56 miles per hour and accelerates so hard from a standing start that it can perform backflips without a ramp. Not an exaggeration. The programmable 60A ESC lets you dial in throttle response, braking power, drag brake, and low voltage cutoff exactly the way you want it. The Shark design makes it look insane running at speed, the 1/16 scale makes it easy to transport, and the price makes it accessible to anyone who wants to experience real brushless performance without spending hundreds. Monster looks, real speed, backflip capability. The UDirk 1610S is deeply fun. Here's the one the RC community keeps recommending to each other. The Relalo AM X12 competes directly with WL Toys, same price bracket, but comes with spare parts included in the box, an enhanced driveline, and better materials across the board. It's a brushless speed buggy built for bashing and racing, with a low drag design, all-terrain suspension, and consistent high-speed performance on multiple surfaces. The RC community rated it as one of the best value-for-money fast RC cars of the year. The included spare parts alone make it worth it because fast cars crash, and having the parts ready means you're back on track faster than everyone else. And we're finishing with the one that does everything. The Traxxas Rustler VXL is a 1/10 scale stadium truck with Valinian brushless power hitting over 65 miles per hour, and it handles every surface you point it at. Pavement, dirt, grass, gravel. It has Traxxas stability management, waterproof electronics, and the legendary Traxxas durability that has made it one of the best-selling fast RC platforms of the last decade. If you want one RC car that is fast on any surface, survives, crashes, and still feels exciting every single time you pick up the controller, the Rustler VXL is the answer. It's not the fastest on this list, but it's the one most people end up keeping forever.